Welcome back to part 2 of our Krabi walking tour. Today we're heading inland to explore the authentic heart of the province, Krabi Town. The riverside promenade is home to iconic landmarks like the massive mud crab and the sea eagle, celebrating the local wildlife. It's a peaceful spot where you can see local life unfolding, with long-tail boats ferrying people across the water. Just a short walk away sits the majestic Wat Tham Sua, a stunning white temple that gleams in the sunlight. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. As the sun starts to set, the energy in Krabi Town shifts toward its most famous weekend attraction. The Krabi walking street comes alive every weekend, transforming into a vibrant festival of sights, sounds, and flavors. You'll find everything from intricate handmade jewelry to vibrant local textiles. It's the perfect place to find a unique treasure. The air is filled with live music and the laughter of families enjoying their evening out together. But let's be honest, most people come here for the food. The aromas of grilled seafood and spices are absolutely irresistible. Watch as vendors prepare classic dishes right before your eyes. It doesn't get any fresher or more authentic than this. And don't forget dessert. The mango sticky rice here is a must-try for anyone visiting the market. Next, we're heading just outside the town to one of Krabi's most sacred and challenging sites, the Tiger Cave Temple. Legend has it that a tiger once roamed these caves. Today, they serve as a peaceful retreat for meditation and reflection. But the real journey begins here. To reach the summit, you'll have to climb exactly 1,260 steps. It's a grueling ascent, but the sense of accomplishment grows with every step you take toward the sky. You might even have some curious monkeys cheering you on along the way. Just keep a firm grip on your belongings. As you reach the top, the massive golden Buddha stands tall, welcoming you to one of the most spiritual places in Thailand. And then, there's the view. The entire province of Krabi unfolds beneath you in a tapestry of green and blue. Standing here at sunset is a truly transcendent experience, making every single one of those steps worth the effort. From the bustling night markets to the quiet majesty of the summit, Krabi Town is a place of incredible contrast and beauty. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Join us for part 3.